स्टैंडर्ड 11th तुमको लग रहा होगा कि थोड़ा सा बोरिंग है, किताब पढ़नी पड़ेगी, थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजिंग है, लेकिन इसी प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए हम लोग आई प्रेप एनिमेशन वीडियोस लेकर आए हैं। आज हम बिजनेस स्टडीज 11th का एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक करेंगे इस एनिमेशन वीडियो के साथ, विच इज बीइंग पावर्ड बाय आई प्रेप। तो टाइम नहीं वेस्ट करते हैं, सीधा सीधा चलते हैं काम पर।
Classification of business. Various business activities may be classified into two broad categories: industry and commerce. Industry. Industry is concerned with the making or manufacturing of goods. It is that constituent of production which is involved in changing the form of goods at any stage from raw material to the finished product. Example, weaving woolen yarn into cloth. Thus, industry imparts form utility to goods. Classification of industries. Industries are again classified into three categories: primary industries, secondary industries, and tertiary industries. Extractive industries. These industries extract or draw out products from natural sources. Extractive industries supply some basic raw materials that are mostly products of the soil. Important extractive industries include farming, mining, lumbering, hunting, and fishing operation. Genetic industries. It means parentage or tertiary. These industries remain engaged in breeding plants and animals for their use in further reproduction. For the breeding of plants, the seeds and nursery companies are typical examples of genetic industries. Secondary industries. Secondary industries are concerned with the materials which have already been produced at the primary stage. For example, mining of iron ore is a primary industry, but manufacture of steel is a secondary industry. Manufacturing industries. Industries engaged in the conversion of raw materials or semi-finished products into finished products are called manufacturing industries. For example, cotton is converted onto textiles. Construction industries. The activities of construction industries include erection of buildings, bridges, roads, railways, canals, etc. Their output do not consist of movable goods. It makes use of the output of the industries like brick, cement, steel, etc. Tertiary industries. These are concerned with providing support services to primary and secondary industries, as well as activities relating to trade. These industries provide service facilities. Examples are transportation, banking, and warehousing.
आ गया ना मजा? इन सच अ लेस टाइम तुम्हें बिजनेस 11th का एक इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक भी समझ में आ गया। यही तो फन है आई प्रेप के एनिमेशंस का। ऐसी बहुत सारी वंडरफुल एनिमेशंस, डिटेल टीचर वीडियोस, नोट्स, असेसमेंट्स देखने के लिए नीचे दिए गए हुए सुपर ऐप आई प्रेप के लिंक को डाउनलोड करना ना भूलें और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना भी ना भूलें। टिल देन, टेक केयर, हैप्पी लर्निंग।